Fantasia AI Chat Review. I'm going to tell you about Fantasia AI Chat, whether it's worth your time or just another overpriced attention grabber. Fantasia is a roleplay focused AI chat app available on Android and iOS, offering customizable characters, long term memory, image and voice features, and a high maturity content setting, perfect for creative conversations and storytelling. It's fresh to use with a fair allocation of daily messages, but you'll hit a paywall fast if you want unlimited access or advanced features like better memory and more frequent image generation. Users love its immersive roleplay capabilities, but many complain that the AI forgets context mid chat. The responses can be repetitive or nonsensical, and censorship often cuts off creative or adult scenes. Privacy is officially respected, though some users worry about data collection when sharing personal information with therapist style bots.